Hello students, welcome to Semstar online classes. This is Rubab Rizvi and I am here to explain you the chapter How does a computer work? Chapter 3, How does a computer work? You know children, I have already told you, explained it to you that computer works in 3 basic steps, that is input, process and output. I have given you an example of a pencil, a broken pencil. Then I have also given an example of a washing machine. Then I have also given you an example of our body. Yes? And today we are going to learn how computer works through IPO cycle. That is input, process and output. So first thing you should know, what is input. Okay? So children, the information or the data, the instructions that you enter into a computer, that is called input. Okay, all the data that you're going to enter into the computer, that is called input. Okay, and how we enter that input into the computer? We enter the input through keyboard. So keyboard is an input device or input unit, you can say. Okay, see what is written? The data and instructions that we enter into a computer are called input, isn't it? We input data using a keyboard and a mouse, and yes, sometimes we use mouse also to input, to enter things into the computer. Yes, suppose you have to draw something, so you use mouse. Okay, and when we have to enter something by typing, then we use keyboard, isn't it? So children, in this way, keyboard and mouse are input units. Remember this. Okay. Now children, when we enter the information and instructions to the computer, the work of process start. CPU, that is CPU. The work of CPU start. It starts working on that data to give you the result. So the working or the function is called process, and working on the data is called processing. The CPU works on data and does all the thinking and calculations and give us the result, the final result. Okay, so this is process. And children, when all the processing is done, that is all the calculation, thinking, all the working, when the CPU finishes it works, then it gives us the result. That is called the final result or the output. This is known as output. Okay, and this output is displayed on the monitor. So monitor here is an output device. Okay, remember this. Output means final result. When CPU finishes processing the data, the output is displayed, means showed on the monitor. And monitor and printer are the most common output devices. Remember, these two are the output device. What? The monitor and the printer. Okay children, so this way computer works through input, process and output.